Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to indicate or mark if you won't do a relevant task on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Log in by your Touch ID or typing in your passcode that you have selected. After that, click on the calendar option down below, which is the second one. Tap on the relevant task that you want to indicate as won't do. All you need to do is clicking on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on won't do, which is the third option at the top. If you go back, as you can see in the completed section, this particular assignment has appeared with a not a check mark icon but an X. So if you want to undo it, tap on the three dots icon again and tap on reopen. So now the task is reopened, so you have the chance to complete it. That's pretty much for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.